Welcome to a new episode of our tutorial series. Today we're going to explore the adaptability of the CloudLog digital logbook application. We'll uncover how you can customize it to fit your personal needs. CloudLog isn't just a digital logbook. It's a tool designed to make your life easier. Let's start with the general and flight default settings. Here you'll find options that can be adjusted to match your personal flight preferences. The options are comprehensive, allowing you to tailor the application to your specific needs. To adjust your settings, first click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the top navigation bar. This will open a view where you can choose a corresponding option on the left side. Let's start by selecting General Settings. Here, you can make adjustments that will affect the entire application, such as the date format you prefer to use. The second option, Flight Default Settings, includes settings related to your flights. For example, you can define your home airport, the one you most frequently depart from, and it will be pre-selected when creating a new flight. You can always confirm changes there by clicking the Save button. Congratulations, you've learned how to change general settings. Now let's move on to the adaptability of the flight view, one of the most important aspects of CloudLog. This is where you'll be spending most of your time, so it's crucial that it works for you. You can customize your flight view by configuring flight attributes in various ways that we will show you next. We are still on the Settings view, and now we click on the Flight Columns entry. Various flight information is grouped at the top as tabs. In addition to the general flight attributes, you will also find completely customizable and configurable fields here that you can define for special requirements. As a first example, let's take a look at the Flight section. By clicking on the respective toggle switch on a field, you can define which information should be displayed on the flight view. Additionally, you can always change the label of the field. However, please note that some fields have a certain semantics associated with them, and changing the label of the field does not alter this semantics. Let's assume you are a pilot who also conducts training as an instructor. In this case, it would be useful to log the student you flew with. To do this, we activate the student field and save our changes. The student field is now instantly available on the flight view, and you can select one of your contacts there. Let's go a step further. Imagine you, as a flight instructor, offer various types of training that you'd like to log in your flight records. To do this, we can easily navigate back to the settings and select the Selections tab. Now we can choose a selection field and give it an appropriate name. By clicking on Configurable Values, we can make relevant entries, such as different types of courses in our case. We save our entries and make the field visible. Now we can select a course for each flight and save it. Congratulations, you've learned how to configure your flight view. Not every one of our customers starts with CloudLog as a beginner. Some have many years of experience in aviation and have already completed many flights. In addition to our import function for transferring flights into our system, we also provide an option to record existing flight times as a consolidated entry. These flight times will then automatically be included in the statistics and printouts. To enter carry-over times, click on the Include Carry-over Values entry in the left navigation under Settings. Here you can set time durations for various flight times. After saving, these can then be included using a displayed toggle switch on the dashboard. Or activate the toggle switch on the printout screen to include the carryover times to your printouts. Congratulations! You have successfully defined your carry-over values. The settings provide you with a great tool to customize your requirements for a digital logbook to suit your individual needs. So take the time to explore the settings and customize your flight view. You'll be amazed at how adaptable CloudLog is. If you don't have an account yet, You can simply scan the QR code and use CloudLog completely free for 1 month. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time.